Okay guys, I went to the first sale of the year yesterday here in Arizona. Saw their ad online, noticed this sitting on a workbench, and went in and grabbed it. There was a bunch of other guys there looking at all the other tools, but this is a pretty hard to find set of SAE Craftsman ratcheting wrenches. The set number is 42444. 8-piece ratcheting wrench set. It's still sealed, as you can see down there. Not really sure how old these are, what years they made them. If you know anything about these, let me know in the comments. I paid $60. I think that's a pretty good deal. And they will be on eBay if you're interested. By the way, traveled 84 miles to pick these up. So they weren't right in my backyard, but they weren't too far away either. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck on the hunt.